Hi everyone, it's Michael Citron with the Citron Group at Remax Park Creek. Hope everyone had a great weekend. It's that time of the week. It's Ask Michael Monday, episode 85. So we're getting up there, and I appreciate all the comments, and certainly if you guys like any of these videos, certainly like them, share them, and comment. We're really here to provide value and insight. So this week, we're doing the market update for July. It's a really popular month. It's our summer month that people look at as a real indicator of where our value is in our city. So we have really good news. So for the July market, and we did this year statistic difference from 2019 to 18. So this year, 2019 in July, we had 65 sales. As opposed to last year at the same time, we had 55 sales. So that's really great news. We have a 15% increase in home sales. So that's really good. We need to see more sales, and that's been happening in this year's summer market. The average days on market last year was 78 days, and this year it's gone down to 68. So that's a 13% decrease in time on market. So homes are selling a little bit faster, certainly in the 400 to 600 price point. The median list price last year was $665,000, and this July it's $689,000. So it's an increase of 4%. So people are putting their homes on the market for more money, and that's actually great news because they're selling for more money. The median sales price last year was $640,000. This July, $670,000. So we're up 5%. That's really, really great numbers because I would say, a healthy appreciation would be about 1% to 3%. So we're above healthy. That's really healthy. And finally, price per square foot, $198 last year, $196 this year. So it's only gone down about 1%. So not a big change. So again, we always do this now in our last episodes. The 6 months, the past 6 months, what's really going on in the market, how many sales and everything. So the last 6 months we've had 319 sales. And that's really good news. So we're seeing more sales, not as much as we've seen the previous 6 months, but it's picked up as of late, as you can see in the July month. The average days on market is 75 days. That's gone up. It was probably about 45, 60 a year ago. So we're seeing homes overall stay on the market a little bit longer, but that's still a healthy market that we're seeing homes sell a little bit over a month and a half. They're coming off the market. Median list price, $665,000, and the median sales price is $650,000. So that's a little bit less than we've seen in July market, but still a very strong market as we're getting into the $650,000 plus market. For median sales price. Really good news, especially if you bought a house in the last 3 to 5 years, you're seeing a very, very good, healthy appreciation on your investment. And then finally, we have our $1 million market. And we certainly have been pushing a lot of this information because I know there's a lot of sellers out there that are seeing their home stay on the market for a long time in the $1 million plus market. So in the past 6 months, this market, we've had 89 homes for sale currently. That's a lot. We've been hovering around that 90 number for the last few months. In the last 6 months, we've had 28 sales of $1 million or more. It's picked up a little bit. I wish it would pick up a little bit more so we can get rid of some of this inventory, but still a good improvement over the last couple months as we're here in the summer selling season. So the average days on market is 142 days. It's increased. It keeps on increasing. We do have a lot of inventory. The median list price is $1,419,500, and the median sales price is $1,300,000. The months of inventory. So this is 19 months. It's very long. So what they say is a buyer's market is any market that's over 6 months of inventory. So we're certainly in a buyer's market. A seller's market if it's under 6 months. So some of the lower price points of the $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, those are under 6 months. So that's really a seller's market. So if you're in that price point, it's a different type of market. That's why I think when you have a property or you know somebody who's looking to make a move, every price point's different and every neighborhood's different because different things are happening in our city. Certainly in Parkland Golf and Heron Bay and out in the East Parkland as well. There's a lot of new building going on in Pine Tree Estates, as you've seen as you drive by Homburg Road. So these are the things that you want to know. If you want to know what your home value is, you can visit our site myparklandhomevalue.com. If you're curious to know just what's going on in the market, you can certainly watch these videos. We're going to put a link to all of our market update videos. You can watch all of our Ask Michael Monday episodes, stay informed in the market, and you can certainly call us or text us, DM us. Get the information you need to make an informed decision. Interest rates went down. The Fed dropped interest rates. So if you're thinking of refinancing, we can certainly help you with that and connect you with an amazing lender we work with in-house, or just answer any questions. We're here to do that. And I think the market's still real strong. People are still buying, as we still have, about a week and a half of the market here until school starts. But people lag. People are still looking. People didn't jump when they should have in getting a house. So we're still seeing the market improve in the August to September month. Every year I look at my numbers of what we do in sales, and I still see we do very well as we even get back into school, because there's a lot of people that missed the summer, the spring summer selling season. So if you're thinking about selling, don't hold out. Inventory is very low. It actually decreases as kids go back to school. So you would think there might be a little bit less buyer activity, but the serious buyers are still in the market that might have missed a house to buy, that are still renting, or still haven't closed on their house that they're moving from out of state or locally. They might still be in the market, and the inventory in every neighborhood has gone down significantly. I live in Parkland Isles, and we're under 10 homes for sale. Where maybe a couple months ago, I think there was almost 20 plus homes for sale. So 50% less competition as well. So remember these numbers. Please give us a call if you have any questions or concerns. And we love to earn your business and trust. Have a great evening with your family, and we'll see you next week for another edition of Ask Michael Monday. Take care.